Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Android tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you how to pair your phone with Bluetooth headphones. So as you can see, I have two different Bluetooth devices here. I have Bluetooth headphones, these are over the ear, and then I have some Anker earbuds. And it will be very similar for both of them. First thing we need to do is put our Bluetooth device in pairing mode, and we do that by holding down the power button. So on these over the ear headphones, the power button is this little button right here that looks like it has a phone on it. So what we're going to do is hold down that button, and there's a little LED light under it. We're going to hold down that button until that LED blinks red and blue. So now these headphones are in pairing mode. With the Anker earbuds right here, we do the same thing. This center button is the power button, but instead of it blinking red and blue, it's just going to blink blue. So as you can see, it's quickly blinking blue. That means that it's in pairing mode. So really you just want to hold down the power button for about 3 to 4 seconds until you see the LED, whatever LED it is, blinking pretty quickly. Now once we're on our phone, we just want to open up the Bluetooth settings. And we do that by opening up the apps right here, and we can see a list of apps, going to Settings, then in Settings, going to Connected Devices, and then you're going to select Bluetooth. From here, we're going to select Pair New Device. So as you can see, both the over-ear headphones right here, the MPOW H1s, and then we have the Anker SoundBuds Curves showed up on the list of available devices. You may see other things that you're not expecting, such as the Instinct, that's just my watch, but these two devices are ready to pair. All we need to do to pair them, simply select it, and you'll see that it says pairing, and you'll see the LED on the headphones change. If it comes up with a little menu like this, simply select pair, and now it says connected right there. And as you can see, the LED has stopped blinking quickly, and it's also not blinking red and blue on the headphones. And then in the list of paired devices right here, we can see that we're actually connected, and then depending on your Android version, it'll actually tell you the battery life of that device. That's how you pair your headphones with your Android cell phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Android tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.